Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, you can see the bears had a real opportunity yesterday, and I mean, to be honest, they screwed it up. They created a higher low. We've spent most of yesterday and most of the overnight dealing with the middle band. That's the green line here that's kind of bisecting everything. You can see the Bollinger Band starting to get tight because we have been bisecting this 20-day simple moving average of the middle Bollinger Band now for 6 consecutive sessions. That will get the bands real tight real quick. So as you see it come in, you've got Bollinger bandwidth of sub 3. It's around 2 and change. So you've got to be on the lookout for the fact that we are going to, we're going to grind, continue to grind a little bit around this middle band, but also that not imminently, but pretty quick, we're going to get a decision point here. We're going to get the next move in the market. Certainly news can temporarily drive it, but whatever moves that the news has created, the side with the advantage has been unable to sustain them. So you get a drop, but then the bears can't follow through. You get a pop, and the bulls can't follow through. And it just, everything just kind of gravitates back to 3,000, gravitates back to the daily mid-band today is in at 89. So let's look at the hourly. So that bear flag broke, but like I said, can't follow through. So we gravitate back. New weekly pivot, 75.67. They took it back to that area yesterday into the close and held it, and held the hourly mid-band as well. They popped that. They took it as high as 94.5. But again, like I said, bulls so far have not been able to press that advantage. We gravitate back. So it's just this gravitation. You can see it here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 going on 5 sessions where we have just really ground around the 3,000 area, call it 29.80 to 3,000. Price has gravitated back into there, and once it gets into there, it gets really choppy, tough to trade. Certainly tough to get any extended move off of, unless you're getting something like this. So as we head into the open today, I've got a whole bunch of stuff jammed in. I've got volume weighted average price, VWAP's 87 and change, middle Bollinger Band coming in just under 86, proprietary moving average 85 and change. The daily mid band, as I said, is 89. So 85 to 89 is going to be that block of price that somebody's going to have to, establish a support or resistance and then push off in their direction, then finally follow through. What the Bollinger Bands tell me on the daily chart is that once it does follow through, you're going to get a nice little move. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Great start to the month. Come check us out. More stuff out on social. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.